Hi there, e-commerce friends. This is part 2 where I want to talk about the differences between Facebook ads and YouTube advertisement. So a lot of times people run advertising on Facebook and they see huge numbers in terms of engagement when they compare them with their YouTube ads. The reason for that are basically two things. So first of all, the way a metric is measured on Facebook is different than on YouTube. For example, when it comes to views, a view on Facebook is measured after 3 seconds already, while on YouTube, a viewer has to watch the content for more than 30 seconds in total. That's reason number one. The second reason is also that the dynamic and the display of the ads is completely different on one platform compared to the other. On Facebook, you have the opportunity to add your own text to it. So if the video quality is not that great, people might read through the text and they get hooked there and they might check out to your product or service. On YouTube, at the other hand, you don't have the opportunity to add additional text. So the video that you put out there is way more important. The quality needs to be dialed in. I hope this tip was valuable to you. If you like that and want more, then visit our website at wonderads.agency and subscribe to our newsletter. Until the next time, talk to you soon. Goodbye.